Hey everyone, Aaron here from the Bugger, bringing you your weekly fly fishing report as we start into the first week of November. What's happening on the Yakima? Starting to finally see some of our fall weather. Many of you that fished with us in the start of October came over to nice warm 80-degree days. We're certainly in a quick transition into fall weather. So with that being said, water temperatures start to drop a bit. Start to see some of those great fall hatches, blue-winged olives. Been pretty fantastic the last few weeks. Still seeing a fair amount of October caddis around. As we start into this time of the year, a lot of people put up their stuff. It's a fantastic time of the year to come out. Fishing is still really great. Seeing pretty good numbers. Obviously, the better you know the water, the better you're going to do. A lot of thinking outside of the box this year. We've had really abnormal temperatures, so that's kind of translated into fish kind of holding in abnormal places. However, fishing's been really good, really consistent, seeing a lot of really nice fish. If you want to get out before the snow flies, give us a shout, get a day on the calendar before winter sets in. Hope everyone's having a fantastic week. Hope to see y'all out here. Tight lines.